Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cotton candy burrito. First, gather all your sweet supplies. You'll need a few different colors and flavors of cotton candy, along with an assortment of small, soft candies for the filling. Think gummy bears, mini marshmallows, or sprinkles. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for some sticky fun. Having parchment paper nearby will also make handling much easier. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making experience. Now, let's create the foundation for our delicious burrito. Gently stretch a generous amount of cotton candy onto your clean surface. You want to form a flat, rectangular shape, similar to a tortilla. Aim for a consistent thickness of about 1/2 inch across the entire piece to ensure it holds together well. Work with a light touch and try to keep the edges relatively even. This will be the sweet wrapper for all your delightful fillings, so take your time to get it just right. With your cotton candy wrapper ready, it's time for the exciting part, adding the fillings. Carefully arrange your chosen candies in a line across the center of your cotton candy rectangle. Remember to leave a border of about 1 inch on all sides, which will help you roll it neatly. Mix and match different colors and textures for a visually appealing and tasty surprise in every bite. Be mindful not to overfill, as this could make rolling difficult and cause your burrito to burst. A balanced filling is key. Finally, let's bring it all together with the perfect roll. Starting from one end, carefully and gently roll the cotton candy, tucking in the filling as you go. Once rolled, lightly press the seam to seal your sweet burrito closed. If there's any excess cotton candy on the ends, you can gently trim it for a cleaner, more polished look. Your homemade cotton candy burrito is now complete. Serve it immediately to enjoy its fresh, fluffy texture and delightful candy surprises. It's a truly unique and fun treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.